Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is July the 18th, 2024, and I'm at the Ag in Motion Trade Show at Langham, Saskatchewan, just outside of the Paris of the Prairies, as they call it, Saskatoon. If you haven't been to Saskatoon, you want to check it out. The riverfront is beautiful. A week ago on Twitter, and I have my Twitter screen up on the page on the screen here right now, I published a tweet saying the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY, is testing a 1.618 Fibonacci level, Fibonacci extension level, and asking the question, is this the top? So that was 6 days ago. Let's see what's happened since then. So the first chart I have up here is the SPY daily chart, and we can see that we had two closes. It closed above my Fibonacci level for 2 days and had a sharp sell-off yesterday. So when I look at the weekly chart, has a few little less wiggles and squiggles in it, and it appears that this week could close below that key Fibonacci level of mine, and potentially we get a pullback down to this 511, 510 region, and maybe down to 480 back to this previous high. Will it happen? Let's stay tuned to keep an eye on it, but that's typically how these chart patterns work. Will it happen this time? Well, let's stay tuned and find out. But let's look at the bond market to see if there's a sell-off in the S&P 500, where would the money be going? Often it goes into the bond market. And if this is the U.S. government T-bond futures chart, and we can see here that the price has been consolidating really for the last, 5 weeks above this green 50-week moving average. Now, why is that important? Well, when we're above the 50-week moving average, our conviction of a bullish conviction starts to strengthen. Now, as that 50-week moving average starts to flatten out and start to rise, then our conviction, our bullish conviction, increases exponentially. So right now we're starting to see this 50-week moving average is flattening out. The bond futures are consolidating above it. It looks like they want to move higher. We switched into bonds last week in one of our long-term strategies, and I'm not suggesting you do that. I'm just sharing with you what we did, and yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Will we be right? This time, let's stay tuned and find out. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life is good.